Hello, this is Julia and Gregory at Team Sogranis Keller Williams Realty. Welcome to our newest exclusive at 832 Bryant Avenue.
This property is over 3,000 square feet of quality living and income rental potential. You've got a 2-bedroom, over a 2-bedroom, over a 4-bedroom duplex with 2 forms of egress, 1 leading to the backyard and 2 deeded parking spaces. So come on inside and get ready to fall in love.
The owner's unit is a 4-bedroom, 2 full bathroom apartment with 3 forms of egress to the outside, 2 being on the ground floor.
Welcome to the second floor 2-bedroom. It's identical to the top floor 2-bedroom, however the layout is flipped. Do also note that you have east and west facing windows, so you collect sunlight no matter what time of day. Welcome to the top floor 2-bedroom. You also have your own private gated backyard, and just outside the gate you have your own 2 deeded parking spaces. Here we are on the rooftop at 832 Bryant Avenue. Now that you've fallen in love with this beautiful property with all of its living and rental income potential, call Team Sogranis today. This baby will not last.